In this video today, I'm going to practically show you how to become an agent on Popo. In case you are new and you don't know, Popo is a new platform that rewards its users with amazing incentive and benefit by simply performing some tasks, by going live, by gambling, by playing game, and so many other things. I don't want to bore you with that. I have shared 13 different ways you can earn on Popo. The only thing is that if you are a lady, you are of advantage because the moment you join, you can start earning. But if you are a guy, you need to go up to level 10. I've explained in different videos, you can go through it. But today I want to show you how you can become an agent. And at the same time, don't just go downloading it. If you are new, you need an invite. So I'm going to drop invite link, and in the description of this video, I will drop a link to join my Telegram, where it will show you all the steps from how to sign up, how to you can start earning, how you can start performing your tasks, and all that. That being said, as I share 13 different ways to make money on Popo, one of the ways is also becoming an agent. And as by the grace of God, being among the top agents on the platform, I have seen a lot of people under my agency that come to ask that they want to become an agent, and few days later their Popo ID has been terminated and they can never be on Popo anymore. Reason is because there are some rules and regulations that you need to abide with if you are an agent on Popo. So I'm dropping the rules right here. As you can see, no recruiting within the platform. If an agent has been reported by host or user for spamming the join agency invitation, a permanent ban of ID will be executed. Okay, you need to be very careful with this. If you don't understand what this means, join my live stream and ask questions on the Popo. And the second one that makes a lot of people to be terminated, or at least they can, once the first rule that I explained right there, if you do spam like that, your agent's ID will be terminated and you cannot be on Popo any longer. And the second one that makes some people being removed as an agent, because some people, you can be an agent and then if you're not meeting up, you will be removed, you cannot be an agent again. For agencies with active hosts lower than 5, the platform has the right to dismiss their agencies. So that means, that's to tell you that if you're not getting up to 5 people that are active under your agency in a day, they are going to stop you, you are going to be removed, you are not going to be an agent any longer. And that is why being an agent is not for everyone. If you know you don't have following, if you know you don't have people that you can bring to the platform that can be active under your agency, you don't have to become an agent. Rather, you can invite people to the platform and you earn. All you need to do is, as you are already a member of Popo, all you need to do is just go to your dashboard. As you just go to your dashboard, you see invite, you click on the invite. The moment you click on invite, you will see invite now. So you click on the invite now and you are going to see this link. You copy it and you refer people. The more you refer people to the platform, the higher you are going to be earning. So as you refer them, make them join my agency. It's easy, and I have a video on how to join the agency. Okay, just make them join my agency, copy my ID as seen on the screen. All you need to do is tell them, click on your settings. When you click on settings, you will see join agency. When you click on join agency, paste this ID, just this my ID that I'm showing you right here on the screen. Okay, when they join the agency, they add the agency logo, make them join my Telegram. It's easy, it's not hard. So if you know you don't have a lot of followings, I beg of you, don't even bother yourself to becoming an agent. Okay, that being said, for those that see that they are capable, they can become an agent, then it is easy. All you need to do is click, I'm going to drop the agent link. Okay, you are on the comment section and in the description. So if you are watching up till now, thank you so much. If you have not liked this video, kindly give me a like. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do so. All right, so in the comment section and in the description, if you are new, I'll put invite link. Okay, if you are already there, you want to become an agent, I will put it agent link. So when you click on the agent link, okay, all you need to do is going to take you to where you are going to paste your Popo ID. When you click on your Popo ID, you click on this gate. When you click on the gate, you will get a verification code. Once it's verified, you are going to submit, and then boom, you have become an agent. But you should also know that you cannot become an agent if you are still under an agency. So if you are already under an agency, you reach out to your agent and tell your agent that you are ready to become an agent. Okay, you are ready to become an agent, and let he or she guide you through, just like as I do, based on the fact that I see people that are leaving my agency to become an agent and they are failing. So because of that, anybody that say I want to become an agent, I take my time to educate you, but it's becoming overwhelming. That's why I create this video, so that I can, anyone that will say I want to become an agent, or I will just send you this video and you watch. And those that are coming to search, thank you so much, I appreciate you. So please drop a thoughtful comment, tell me something beautiful in the comment. It makes me want to do more when I see your comments. I love hype, oh, I beg, I love hype. So drop a comment. If you are new, you want the registration link, if you cannot find the description, no worry, just comment how to register on Popo. I will give you link to register. If you want to become an agent and you cannot see the agent link, just drop a comment. Please, I need the agent registration link, and I'll give you the link to sign up. All right, because the sky is big enough for us all to fly. On this channel, I talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, cryptocurrency, and now I've been talking about Popo. All right, so if you have any question about Popo, in the description I will drop a link to a playlist of all the videos I've been doing on Popo, from how to perform your tax, how to register, how to play games. I've done different games video that you can also watch, how to gamble and win, and much more. So hope to see you in my next video. Bye.